Welcome to 5-Minute Tech Clash. Today we're bringing you an exciting showdown between the HONOR Watch 5 Ultra vs HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro. You can check them out right now through the links in the description below. Starting with the HONOR Watch 5 Ultra, it features a strong titanium plus polymer frame, offering a solid yet lightweight feel. On the other hand, the HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro goes for a full titanium alloy build, giving it that extra touch of premium and durability. Size-wise, the HONOR Watch comes in at 46.3 by 43.3 by 11.4 millimeters, slightly more compact from side to side. Meanwhile, the GT 5 Pro has a more symmetrical 46.3 by 46.3 by 10.9 millimeter dimension, making it a bit thinner. When it comes to weight, the HONOR Watch 5 Ultra is just a bit lighter at 51.8 grams, while the HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro is slightly heavier at 53 grams. Not a huge difference, but noticeable if you prefer something lighter on the wrist. Now for the screen, HONOR gives you a larger 1.5-inch AMOLED display, perfect for those who want more screen real estate. HUAWEI, however, keeps things sharp with a 1.43-inch AMOLED screen, slightly smaller, but still crisp. Speaking of crisp, both watches offer a 466 by 466 pixel resolution, but the PPI pixels per inch tells a different story. HONOR has 310 PPI, while HUAWEI edges ahead with 326 PPI, making its screen just a bit sharper. In terms of brightness, the HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro wins again with 1,200 nits, compared to the HONOR's 1,000 nits. Both are bright enough for outdoor use, but HUAWEI's will hold up better in harsh sunlight. And yes, both watches come with sapphire crystal glass and always-on display support, so durability and style are guaranteed on both sides. When it comes to sensors, it's a tie. They both pack the full suite: accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetometer, heart rate sensor, ambient light, barometer, temperature sensor, and even ECG support. Under the hood, both use proprietary chipsets, so the performance will largely come down to optimization and software experience. Speaking of software, the HONOR Watch 5 Ultra runs on macOS 7.2, while the HUAWEI GT 5 Pro uses HarmonyOS, which is known for its fluid performance and wide app support in the HUAWEI ecosystem. In terms of storage, the HONOR gives you 8 gigabytes, which is decent, but HUAWEI takes the lead again with a massive 32 gigabytes, ideal for storing music, apps, and more. Charging time? It's even. Both watches take about 2 hours to fully juice up. But battery life is where HONOR shines. It offers up to 15 days, which is over double the 7 days you'll get with the HUAWEI GT 5 Pro under typical use. Lastly, in terms of connectivity, both are future-ready. You'll find Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi, GPS, and NFC support on each. Great for tracking, syncing, and contactless payments. The HONOR Watch 5 Ultra is priced at around $300, making it a solid value for the features it offers, especially with that long battery life. Meanwhile, the HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro comes in slightly higher, at approximately $350, reflecting its more premium display and larger storage capacity. HONOR Watch 5 Ultra Pros: excellent battery life, up to 15 days. Lightweight design for comfortable all-day wear. HONOR Watch 5 Ultra Cons: lower screen brightness compared to competitors. Limited storage, only 8 gigabytes. HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro's sharper, brighter display with 1200 nits and 320 ppi. Large storage, 32 gigabytes for music and apps. HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro. Cons: shorter battery life, around 7 days. Slightly heavier on the wrist. So after looking at all the features, the HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro comes out as the winner, thanks to its slimmer design, higher pixel density, brighter display, and massive 32 gigabytes of storage. It really nails the premium smartwatch experience. But hey, if battery life is your top priority, the HONOR Watch 5 Ultra is a solid pick with its impressive 15-day endurance and lighter build. Both of these watches are excellent in their own way, and you can check them out right now through the links in the description below. Happy smartwatch hunting! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Which band would you choose?